Hey lads, TechScanning here. So as one of the most awaited, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is just launched. Now the eyes are on the highly camera focused Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So a number of details are almost confirmed about the handset, such as it will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and there will be a newer Sony's 1-inch type LTR 900 sensor with a variable aperture. Plus we have also seen a sneak peek at the handset, though which is well hidden behind the case. Now, as per a 3C certification listing, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will be a huge deal when it comes to the battery department. So just like the previous Xiaomi 13 Ultra, the upcoming Xiaomi 14 Ultra will also get a photography kit as appears on the 3C listing. However, unlike the previous photography kit, which focused only on the camera shooting experience, the listing confirmed the photography kit with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will have a 1500 mAh of battery capacity inside it. This means the kit will act as an external battery, so allowing the handset to stay alive for longer hours. Of course, on the other hand, it will also increase the weight of the kit. Let me know what you think about this idea in the comment section below. Besides this external battery backup, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is also likely to get a battery capacity bump from 5000 to around 5200 mAh. However, some rumors even claim a 5500 mAh of battery capacity bump. So it seems like while the camera usage drains a lot of battery, Xiaomi wants to make sure their handset to stay alive for a considerable amount of time. Moving forward, earlier some rumors claimed that the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is slated for March. While on the 3C listing, the digits 2402 suggest we may see the launch of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra sometime in February 2024. Anyway, the handset is also likely to launch in the global market, but maybe first in China. Of course, I will keep you updated on this, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.